Car buying as a decision has evolved, and how? A new car is going to be your style statement, and of course, the personal space where you spend most of your time after home and office. Well, actually, second, if you consider the current work from home trend. No wonder why the car accessories market has been seeing a lot of activity too. After all, we want our cars to be all decked up even before taking the delivery. And so we thought, why not do a deep dive in the market and see how it works?
Now, instead of covering it in bits and pieces, we thought, why don't bring you a full-fledged segment on accessories? And so comes the Car and Bike Accessorized, a brand new segment where we take a deep dive into the entire accessories line that OEMs are offering for their new model range.
Yes, the idea is to keep you in the know of the genuine accessories line launching with latest models. And eventually, we'll also be exploring the aftermarket sector to see what's new and interesting. And speaking of interesting, we have something very exclusive.
And we thought, what's better than beginning with an exclusive, and that too from India's largest automaker, Maruti Suzuki. Now the company has launched a brand new portal on accessories where it is offering a wide line for its entire model range. It's as easy as online shopping. You can be at the comfort of your home or office and place orders online. Those small accessories will be delivered at your doorstep, while for the bigger ones which need fitment, we are heading to the dealership and we'll show you how this Vitara Brezza is gonna be accessorized.
Well, the process starts at your home or office. You just need to go on Maruti Suzuki Genuine Accessories webpage, select the model and your location, and you get a plethora of options to choose from.
Well, there's literally a sea of options out there, over 2,500 of them, and it's very easy to get confused. So you have to be a bit smart. The best way is to fix your budget first and then be selective. You have to evaluate. Everything boils down to your choice. So what goes well with your car, what you really need, what kind of materials and colors you want. You have to be selective on all those fronts and then add those to your cart, pay, and you will get your car accessorized.
As simple as that. It just works as seamlessly as any online shopping website. Now those small articles like idles, car perfume, body cover, floor mats, or vacuum cleaner that don't require installation will be delivered at your doorstep. And to check the authenticity, you can simply download Maruti's Scan and Assure app. All you need is to scan the QR code, and if you get a green verification on your phone's screen, the product is genuine. In fact, the same drill goes for all Maruti Suzuki genuine accessories or parts. Now for accessories that require setting up, like side skirts, door protectors, and chrome garnish or roof spoiler, you need to take the car at your selected dealership, which I didn't mind. But for you busy fellows, Maruti should have considered taking care of pickup and drop service as well, even for a nominal convenience cost. It would have just added to that ease of getting it all done without any involvement. Of course, if you make the purchase before taking the delivery, you need not worry. Your car will be delivered all decked up and personalized. Obviously, I had to be there and see what all was happening with the Brezza. So we headed to Pasco Motors in Gurugram, which is a massive facility with both Maruti Suzuki Arena and Nexa dealerships in the same French. It's one of the fanciest dealerships for a mass market brand, and I was categorically impressed with the level of sanitation even on the shop floor.
So I have handed over the keys, the car is on the ramp and all set to be accessorized. But before that, let me show you what all we have got. So here are all the accessories I selected for the Brezza. Let's start with this. Is the front extender, goes on the front skid plates, similar ones you have for the rear as well. Then we have got the side skirt molding, goes on the running board, and obviously stuff that you will love, though I'm not a big fan of chrome elements. So you have got chrome for the door, and then the door visor also really helps a lot in the rain, in this rainy season. This is the chrome part. Looks quite shiny, and the finish is actually nice. It's better than what you get in the aftermarket.
While these body accessories were more about looks, the cabin accessories are what you need on the move and for protecting the interiors.
The one I like the most, wireless charging. Really, it makes the whole experience a premium affair. And similarly, you have got the air purifier now. So sad, but in this day and age, it's mandatory. Goes right in the cup holder. You can install, will keep the air clean inside the car. And stuffs like these cuff plates, and these are not the illuminated ones, these are the normal ones. Again, for the decoratives, we have these for the door armrest, and in the similar finish you have got these for the central console, goes around the gear lever, and obviously the entire kit is there inside right here. For the ORVMs, I really love these. It's carbon fiber finish, goes on the ORVM. This is the ORVM garnish for the wing mirrors, of course. So the seat covers are right here, floor mats, and the vacuum cleaner also. So just in case your cleaner doesn't show up, these will come really handy. And I'll just let the car be. We have selected quite a few of them. Now the people will do their job and will show you how the final car looks when it is completely jazzed up with all these accessories. In the meanwhile, I am going to take a break. I'll sit right there and have my coffee, and I'll just let people do their work.
While I was having a chat with the folks at Maruti over coffee, trying to get my head around the whole idea and its ultimate, technicians were at the job, and in just about 3 hours, our Brezza was all decked up. That feeling of seeing your car all embellished is no less than seeing it for the first time. And the Brezza does look better when it comes to aesthetics.
So the car is completely accessorized and jazzed up now. For the exterior, I actually wanted a mix of contrast, chrome, and sporty and rugged appeal. Just didn't want to overdo any of them. So let me quickly show you what all has been added. For the mix, we have got this contrast extenders on the skid plate, and it goes very well with the overall bumper design. Then on the chrome grille, we have got this carbon fiber finish, very subtle and goes really well with these blocks. And the same finish now is extended to the wing mirrors there. Now on the side, I just didn't want to overdo it with all the chrome bling. I had that option but just chose not to. So no chrome on door handles, but we have got these rain visors here. On the door visors, you have got this subtle chrome finish. And even lower on the running board, we have got these side skirts with again black contrast, so looks very sporty. And then at the rear, we have got this chrome highlight here on the lip of the boot lid, and again same extenders on the rear skid plate as well. Now the idea was not to overdo it, so we just didn't want to load it with all the options that were available. We just chose what all goes well with the car, well with the color, and just have those things on it.
At Car and Bike Accessorized, we stress a bit more on genuine accessories as they age better. Automakers mostly don't compromise on quality, and they have a separate team designing the entire accessories line, considering what all can be provided and go well with the car. Not to mention that they know every dimension very well, and that helps quite a lot, especially on the inside.
Now I do agree that accessories at automakers end, they come at a slight premium, but then it really shows in the quality, finish, and especially fittings, and that pretty much obvious because it's their product. They have the accurate measurement. For instance, the seat covers, the shoulder to shoulder fitting is really accurate, very good, and even the cushioning, it's not too thick, not too thin, and you have got that contours very well at point, so really supports your lumbar and keeps you in a comfortable position. Now in the aftermarket, when you generally find thick cushioning inside those seat covers, it generally distorts the contouring. Now even the wireless charger, It's of the accurate size of that bin, isn't sticking out, so looks really good. The finish is flush, and then in addition we have got the air purifier. You really need it in these times. And then contrast finish here on the door armrest and on the dashboard, also around the gear knob. Again, the quality and the finish is really nice. Just for the air purifier, it exactly isn't integrated because it is in the cup holder, but you have to use this additional wire in the USB port.
While that wire does look tad messy and keeps the USB port engaged, that's the only thing I found out of place. Everything else looks seamless. Even the scuff plates look one with the door sill, and the floor mats fill the footwell very appropriately. I chose these rubber ones as carpet in our media cars gets soiled on shoes. But you can go for more sophisticated ones if your car isn't put through rough use and harsh weather doesn't bother you much. And if you find the all-black cabin of the Brezza too dark, might as well go for footwell lamps or ambient lighting. You have got plenty options on the Maruti Suzuki Genuine Accessories website. Well, it's been a long day, but it's all worth it. Driving an all personalized and decked up car has its own high. Your cabin is equipped with everything you need on the go, and even if it doesn't turn everyone's head, it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, you will turn back and look at it every time you click that button on the key fob. That's happiness.